I figure it's time to cut my hair. As you can see, it's gotten really long and I just like love the length, but my ends are super dry and dead and I have a lot of split ends. And I've noticed that even when I try to style my natural hair, it's just not, it doesn't look nice. It feels really dry. So I found Brad Mondo, and I'm pretty sure you guys know who he is. He is a hairstylist and a YouTuber, and he had actually released a video in the past of how, like, a guide of cutting your hair at home. So I'm gonna follow his steps and hopefully it works out. I'm thinking of cutting about 3 inches today. So he actually did recommend to wash, dry, and straighten your hair. Obviously don't forget to put heat protectant, and so I did all that now. And so we're gonna follow the video. Of course, I will link his video down below so you guys could watch it. Basically, he said to part it how you normally would. So I part it down the middle, and so he said to do that all the way back. So I haven't gotten the back yet. Cutting your hair is like no joke because you obviously cannot see what you're doing, and I'm hoping his method works for me.
Right behind your ear, and those are our 2 sections on this side.
So he's basically saying from the apex, which is the highest point of your head in the back. So for me, I don't even know if you could see, it's somewhere here. You go here, you comb down till behind your ear, and shift that you want.
Your ear, and those are our 2 sections on this side, and then you're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So for now,
okay, so he's basically saying to separate your hair into 4 different pieces, and so for now I'm just gonna put this piece with this clip and move on. Okay, so I did the 2 front parts. I'm gonna do the back. So basically it's just to part the middle like that. I'm gonna use a little comb. He did say if you have thick hair, you could part it instead of 4 pieces, you could do 6. I have really thick hair, so I think I might have to do 6, but he didn't really show how to do 6. So it has me kind of second guessing. I'm assuming you split these in half as well. I'm hoping that's what it is, or do I? Yeah, pretty sure that's how it is. Okay, so I'm gonna just kind of run the high point and try to split that section in another half behind the ear, like that, and see. Yeah, that seems fine. So the high point. There is a disclaimer in his video. He says obviously it's not going to be as good as when you go to your hairdresser. So don't be expecting this to be fab, but hey, like, something is something. So he basically said to comb, let your hair fall, and do not pull it to the front, to the back, nothing, to just kind of see where it falls, kind of see where you need to cut. So with this one, it's because my front ones have layers, my back hair don't, so I kind of don't know how to go about this. I guess I kind of want my hair, all of it, like around here, so we'll see. I'm gonna do it tight. Okay. And I'm just gonna pull. I don't think he did this. He literally just said to pull your finger. Maybe this was a bad idea. We're gonna cut about this much. And I'm just gonna do the same to my whole head. I think they're all matching, but I have to check in the mirror, so I'll be back. I got the scissors. He kind of does a little one of these to make sure this is even. And for me, it does seem to be even. So, time to cut. I'm so scared. So he gets this part and he cuts like upward. Well, I guess it would be upward like that, but it's only a little piece, so it shouldn't be too bad, this front section. Here we go. Dude, this is like 4 inches of hair, I think. It's almost 4 inches of hair. This is just the front part. Imagine the back. Okay, I'm just gonna do this front part. I'm so nervous how this is gonna turn out. I'm not confident anymore. These are like the scary ones. So you said not to pull on them. And I hope, oh, this is a chunk. I'm just gonna measure how much that's at. I'm just gonna measure how much this is. 4 inches of hair. I said 3 inches, now it's 4. Moment of truth. Okay, I feel like I'll be less sad about this front part. Shouldn't be too bad. Okay. It looks fine. It looks good. Okay, this one. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, oh shoot, okay. Doesn't look bad. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, it looks kind of choppy, but I don't know. I hope I don't be if I turn it up. Doesn't look like it's bad. Like if I go forward, obviously there's like, I guess maybe I could just cut this one little piece. So far, so good. Curious. Oh wow, okay. I'm honestly shocked. So you could see it cut so nice. So nice. It cut really nicely. So I remember we were like down here, my ribs. Now we're still slightly under boob, so great. There's this like little piece, these pieces that I don't have here much. Oh yeah, I do. So these ones I'm just gonna kind of cut up because I saw him do that. Hey guys, so I'm back and I just finished kind of like feathering like the thick ends or the thick parts of the hair, and as you can see, it just looks like so good. I'm so impressed with his technique and the fact that it actually worked. I've cut my hair so many times in the past, and I used to do this. Like I used to put like 2 ponytails, blunt cut, go in the back, have my dad blunt cut it from the back, and it was just a mess. But it looks so good right now. Like I'm so happy. Like it just feels so much healthier and it doesn't look terrible. Like obviously it's not as good as like a professional, but it's pretty dang good. Like my ends just feel so amazing now, and before they just felt so brittle and dry and it was super hard to work with and it would get tangled. And now I just feel like I could run my hands through my hair and it just feels so amazing. And even like the front, like it just looks really good. I'm so happy, sure happy with the results. Oh my god. Okay, let me show you the back, guys. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad, but totally recommend to go watch Brad Mondo, his video and his technique, and he's just so funny in general. So thank you, Brad, and hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you guys want to see more experimental videos for my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like to see more videos like these, please let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye guys!